Morning, children. So today we are going to take a fifth class lesson, that is the third lesson, the earth and its living world. You know, our earth has do you know the structure of earth? Our earth has an egg-like structure, so that it consists of the three different layers. That is the outer layer that we call the crust. It is made up of rocks, okay, and it contains continents and oceans also. So the life exists on the crust area. Then another layer of earth is the mantle. It is a middle layer of the earth, and inside that is core. Third layer is the core, inner core and the outer core. So it is the basic structure of our earth. You know, on the surface of the earth, we find land in some places and water in other areas also. So our earth outermost cover is consist of land, water, and the earth is surrounded by the atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by atmosphere. Now there are living things on land and in water and the air also. You know which are living things on the land? Trees are present on the land. Various animals are present on the land. That is terrestrial animals. Then in water, various aquatic animals are present. That is fishes, crabs, turtles. So various aquatic animals are present in water, and in the air also some animals are present that we call the birds. Usually birds that fly in the air, that are the aerial animals, and on the land the animals are present that we call terrestrial animals, and the animals which are present in water we usually call the aquatic animals. Okay. You know why? Earth is a unique planet. Why life exists on the earth? Because earth is a unique planet which consists of atmosphere, which has light also, sunlight also. Due to the sunlight, due to atmosphere, water, the life exists on the earth. Okay. The sun is the cause of many natural processes on the earth. क्योंकि sun ही है, sun gives us heat energy, we get solar energy from the sun. So the sun is the only cause of many these natural processes on the earth. Which natural process takes place due to the sun? That is the photosynthesis, the main thing which takes place on the earth. So green plants, with the help of solar energy, water and chlorophyll pigment, they are able to prepare their own food. So this is the life process, and because of these the life exists on the earth. So that green plants food form karte, wo green plants ko hum log, the herbivores animal eat the green plants. Usually herbivores ko khane wale carnivores animals hote hain. Carnivores animals ko omnivores animals they eat. And so the life processes that takes place on the earth. Understood? Now the air constitute the envelope of the earth, namely the hydrosphere. You know, this is the hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. So what is meant by the hydrosphere, what is meant by the lithosphere, and what is meant by the atmosphere? The biosphere spreads in all the other three spheres. So let's see this diagram. That is the sphere of the earth, the lithosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere. So it's a different spheres of the earth, different layers of the earth. So one by one we see. First is the lithosphere. This is the lithosphere. Okay, let's learn about lithosphere. Lithosphere means it extends from the surface of the earth. Our planet is made up of various layers. It is rocky outer part of the earth. The lithosphere is a rocky part, means outermost cover. Rocky part, that is the lithosphere. It extends from the surface of the earth. जो अर्थ का surface है, that is the lithosphere. The earth's crust is hard. It is mainly made up of rock. Okay, so this is the lithosphere. Then another layer, that is the hydrosphere, the middle layer, that is the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means, hydro means water. The major importance of hydrosphere is that water sustains various life forms and plays an important role in the ecosystem and regulating atmosphere. Hydrosphere covers all the water present on the earth's surface. जो भी water present है, that consists due to the hydrosphere. Okay, then third is the atmosphere. See, this is the atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air, that is atmosphere. Okay, children, and the biosphere, this is the biosphere that spreads in all other three spheres. All other three spheres. Which three spheres? That is lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Okay, now see, the lithosphere and the hydrosphere, the earth's crust is hard. It is mainly made up of rocks. When we travel in the hilly region, what happened? We see the layers of soil and rock along road cuts. Road side में हमें rocks दिखते हैं, hills दिखती है. When you travel, we see grassy expanses of land in some places and only sand in others. That scene we see around us when we travel on the roadside. Okay, so the land is covered with crops in some places and with forests in the other. Sometimes we get to see the deeper layers of soil into which tree roots spread. At others, we see rocks split apart by the tree roots. So there are the gentle mountains, slopes, as well as sheer cliffs of rock. All these land features are a part of Earth's lithosphere. What is the Earth lithosphere? Which are the parts of Earth lithosphere? Mountains, valleys, plains, hill rocks. These are the part of this lithosphere. Understood? It's outermost. जो भी दिखता है हमें, हम लोग जाते तो hills दिखती है, valleys दिखती है, plains दिखते हैं, grasses दिखते हैं, roots दिखते हैं, plants के. So this is the all the parts of lithosphere. Much of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. The lithosphere extends under this water too. So this lithosphere is also the small portion of the water, also consists of the lithosphere. जो water के नीचे का जो portion है, that also consists the lithosphere. Understood? So see, these are the valleys we see when we go, mountains, hills, and some part of the water also that consists of the lithosphere. About a third of the surface of the earth consists of a land. A vast continuous stretch of land is called a continents. Do you know, on our earth कैसे है? Land is 1/3 portion of the land and water 2/3 portion of the earth consists of the water. There are usually 5 oceans on the land, on the earth, and the 7 continents which are present. The lithosphere extends under this water too. About a third of surface of earth consists of land. A vast continuous stretch of land is called a continent. You know what are the continents and what are the oceans? जो एरिया लैंड का एरिया होता है, that is the continents. The vast continuous stretch of land, that is called continent. There are total 7 continents which are present on the earth. Which, see, the land on earth is divided into 7 continents. कौन से 7 continents है? One is Asia. Okay, it's the largest continent. Asia, then Europe, then Africa, then North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. So there are these 7 continents present. Again, I am going to repeat the 7 continents: Asia, then Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. These are the 7 continents which are present on the earth, from which Asia is the largest continent. We live in the Asia. Which continent? We live in Asia. India comes in Asia. Okay, so Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. See here, it's a map, world map. Okay, see here, Australia, this is the Australia, it's the smallest one, and Asia means here is the Asia. So it's here, Asia hai India. So this Asia, this is the largest continent. See this Asia. So see the world map, it's the smallest one, which is Australia, and this Asia is the largest continent. Understood? So then the land is not even all the places, you know, somewhere hills are there, कहीं पे valleys है, कहाँ पे plains है, कहाँ पे hills है, कहाँ पे mountains है. So the land is not even all the places. The unevenness gives different shapes to the land in different places. They are called landforms. Landforms means or different shapes of land, that is the different landforms. हम भी देखते हैं कि कहीं पे hills है, कहीं पे valleys है, कहीं पे खड्डे बहुत सारे, जो land is not the same everywhere. They are called the landforms, different landforms. In the picture, so I have shown you the picture of landform. The plains, hills, and mountains are the some landforms. Plains, hills, and mountains. Okay, the 2/3 of the earth's surface is covered with water. You know, earth consists of a most portion of the earth is covered with the water. That is 71% water is present on the earth surface. So most of this water is in the ocean. You know that water which is in the ocean water. So the ocean water is salty. There are the 5 oceans and 7 continents, as I told you earlier. So which are 5 oceans? That is Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and Indian Ocean. So these are the 5 oceans which are present on the earth. So that consists of water, but that water is a salty water. So the land along the margins of an ocean that are called the coastal regions. So kahan se the coastal regions? The land which is present on the coastal area, that is the coastal regions. Water bodies of different shapes and sizes are formed along the coast, that is the sea, bay, strait, gulf, creek. These water bodies are part of the ocean. Okay, so this is about the oceans. Then surface, you know the sources, different sources of water. There are the surface water as well as underground water. So surface water means that we get from various streams, water flowing over the land. This water is not salty but fresh. You know, the only ocean water is the salty water, but the river water, stream water, rills water, that is the fresh water. So these streams of water may be rills, brook, streams, or the rivers. Reels are the smallest and rivers are the biggest. Reels means the chota sa oda. That is the smallest one, but we know the rivers are the big rivers. You know, the Ganga river, Yamuna river, Narmada river, hai na? So these are the very big rivers. Reels, brook, streams join each other to form the river. ये सब join होके क्या होते हैं? जो छोटे छोटे जो sources होते हैं water के, that joins and to form the river. Rivers which join to make a bigger river. छोटी छोटी जो नदियां हैं जो join होके एक big river बनती है, and that is called tributaries. That we call means when the rivers join to make a bigger river are called tributaries. In some places, the river cascades down the sudden drop. This forms a waterfall. All the rivers eventually flow into the ocean. और rivers कहाँ जाके मिलती है? Oceans. Lakes now. A water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low-lying area of land, that is called a lake. जहाँ पे water हमारे यहाँ अंबाझरी lake है, फुटाला lake है. So what happened? A water body formed by the water collecting naturally in a low-lying areas of a land, that is called a lake. So water also is in the form of ice. You know, water particles in the clouds that freeze, and in cold regions they come down in the form of snow in the hill stations. When layers of snow pile up on the ground, they form the ice. When such layers of ice pile up in a low-lying areas, they become the enormous in size. Ice freeze, okay, it becomes into bigger in size. This huge mass slips down a slope at a very slow speed. This is called the glaciers, okay. So there are also huge blocks of ice floating in the sea. They are called icebergs. And icebergs form होते that huge rocks of ice that float in the water that forms on the icebergs. So this is about the water in the form of ice. Water is also in the form of lake we see. Water is in the form of ice. Now the groundwater. Groundwater means beside these water bodies on the earth's surface, there is a lot of water that stores in the underground layers also. You know, that is the underground source of water. So that underground source of water we take out by digging the wells, bore wells, that is the underground water. So some of the water that seeps percolate into the soil. So that is underground water. Understood, children? So this is about landforms and oceans and water we learn in this lesson. So once again, I am repeating, there are the 7 continents, which and 5 oceans. Ocean water is a salty water. We get water in the form of lakes. We get water in the form of ice. We get water in the form of groundwater also. Surface water also by means of rivers, lakes, we get surface water. So this is the water that consists the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere and lithosphere, various landforms we learn. Which landforms? There are different landforms like hills, mountains, plains. So these are the different landforms. Now your homework. I'm giving you a homework. So please note down your homework. You have to make a list of landforms you see in your surrounding and give a description. Okay. So this is the homework. Make a list of different landforms you see in your surrounding and give a description. Okay, children. So this is about the hydrosphere and lithosphere. Now in our next period, we will learn about the atmosphere. It's another layer of the another sphere of the earth. Okay, children. So bye everyone.